5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left, extra long. Keep in of a crest, into 6 right of a crest, jump. 100 over crest, turn unseen, 2 left. Opens, 100. 6 left, 160. 4 right, extra long of a crest, 50. Keep middle of a crest. Into 6 left long, keep in of a crest, into 6 right. Slow 70, turn unseen, hairpin right, don't cut. Opens of a crest, 50. 4 left long, 30. Keep right of a big jump, 80. Keep middle of a jumps into 6 right. Into slow, 5 left long of a crest, tightens 3 over very narrow bridge. Into 4 left long, opens 30. 4 right long, opens over crest, 100. Over crest, sudden, 4 left, 50. Keep left of a jump, 50. 6 left, opens of a crest, into 4 right tightens. Into 5 left long, opens 50. Caution crest and 3 right tightens. Into don't cut, 3 left long. Into 6 right and 6 left. 50. Cut, 5 right. Into 6 left long over crest tightens. 30. Middle of a jump. Into 5 right long. Tightens 4 long. Opens 50. 4 right of a crest. Opens, keep middle of a crest. Into 5 left. Opens of a crest. Into 4 left of a crest. 150. 4 left. 50. 4 left. Into 3 right. Caution. Tightens turn 2. Into 3 left. Opens long. Stay middle over 200. 6 right, opens over big jump, 80. Middle of a jump, 50. 5 left of a crest long, 120. Slow turn, tight hairpin right, don't cut, 80. Turn unseen, tight hairpin left, 80. 6 left, 50. 6 right of a crest jump, 50. 4 right long of a finish, into 6 left long to stop.